Well, Golson, for years, Angelique Ashby has been claiming to be a public defender in Sacramento County, but state bar records reveal she is not an attorney, and in fact, she admits to failing the bar exam.
I am all in for Sacramento.
In the highly competitive race for mayor of Sacramento, City Council member Angelique Ashby told a live studio audience at KCRA.
When I was 20 years old in this city, I became a single mom. And I raised my son in low-income housing, and I used food stamps and subsidized childcare.
Ashby added she eventually got married, bought a house, started a business, and was elected to the City Council. But one claim about her background raises questions. If you go to the City Council website and then click to get more information on Ashby, you are linked to the AngeliqueAshby.com website, where she states, "I worked as a public defender." The public defender is Paulino Duran. His job is to represent criminal defendants in court, people who often cannot afford to defend themselves. Sacramento County Public Records show Ashby was a student intern, a legal research assistant from April 2002 through May 2003, a temporary position working full-time with no benefits. Ashby's campaign told us she worked under the supervision of a qualified attorney, Judith Odbert, who wrote that Ashby represented the clients at arraignments, in negotiations, gave accurate advice regarding their cases, and represented clients in entering pleas and during sentencing. The public defender's office tells KCRA3 she was not employed as an assistant public defender, an attorney position in our office. Yet Ashby has continued to make the claim of being a public defender. In this 2014 article in Cosmopolitan, she is quoted as saying, "Toward the end of law school, I was a public defender in Sacramento County." And last year, when opponents of the new downtown arena sued the city over concerns about funding, Ashby testified under oath that she was a public defender for Sacramento County for a couple of years.
I put myself through McGeorge School of Law.
Ashby did graduate from law school, but she is not a practicing attorney, admitting in a deposition last year, "I did take the bar exam and I did not pass."
Earlier today, Angelique Ashby agreed to do an on-camera interview, but instead sent us a statement. Here's what it says. Regarding the 2009 bio describing my experiences in law school, I proudly worked in the Office of Public Defender in Sacramento County. While attending McGeorge Law School at night and raising my son as a single mom, my job was to represent misdemeanor defendants in arraignment court, both in and out of custody, and in that role, I was their public defender. Well, just moments ago, we got reaction from someone who worked in the public defender's office for 32 years. Linda Parisi, seen here in a previous court appearance, has worked as a criminal defense lawyer in Sacramento, representing hundreds of defendants in court, and we asked her just moments ago for her response to Angelique Ashby's claiming to be a public defender.
I would suggest, in light of the fact she's not licensed to practice law, that that would be an overstatement.
Linda Parisi is now in private practice and is not a voter in Sacramento County. She is not affiliated with any campaign for mayor.